We've seen some right sights today. I didn't know we knew this beach down at Acequion, did you?
It's not supposed to be.
Well, I don't know about... she was a big woman, wasn't she?
Which one?
She was really brown.
They're doing some knitting or something.
She was selling something, wasn't she?
Yeah. I think they were knitting bikinis.
Do you think it was to increase sales?
Maybe.
Do you think it'd work? Do you think it'd
Did you
bring
buy
in
anything?
No. You frightened me to death.
Did she?
Yeah, I was scared.
She was very tanned.
Talented?
Tanned.
Oh, tanned. Yeah, she was very tanned, but I'm not surprised, stood there all day like that.
Anyway, where are we now?
We're in the ship.
The ship?
Yeah.
It's a bit rocky, isn't it?
So here we are at the ship. We've come to the ship, haven't we?
We've come to a ship again.
We've actually just been to see the supermarket, Andy's old supermarket, which is now a bar and restaurant. And we just called in to see the new owners, and we said we can't do anything now, but we're going to go back in August when we come back next time and do a little video for them to just give them a little bit of a boost. And but it looks really nice inside. It's got a bit of a Nordic feel to the tables and chairs. It's got a bar. Quite a shock when we walked in, wasn't it? Because it looks totally different to what it did before. It's got a kitchen.
I think they're going to do tapas, aren't they?
Yeah, they're going to do tapas. Yeah, I think they're going to do full meals, aren't they?
A little bit. Well, they're going to have it a little bit different to what else there is round here.
Yeah. But they're still keeping a little bit of supermarket, because people have got used to going there for the supermarket, for their bread every day.
Yeah.
So he's going to carry on doing that. They're going to open at 9 and close at 9:30, he said. That's the plan. Whether it changes, it might change, I don't know. So when we come back in August, they'll have been open, because they open this Friday. So if you're passing between now and or between Friday and August, and you want to have a look before we do the video, come down and have a look. It's just behind the ship in the International Marina. Go and have a look, see what you think. So we're sat here at the ship, in fact.
Yeah, sunshine, it's lovely.
It's beautiful.
Nice and warm now.
We've been on the beach this morning, doing very little.
Enjoying our last full day of doing what we want to do.
Yeah, it's our last day today, really. Tomorrow's going to be a packing up day.
Packing up, cleaning up and all the things that you have to do before you lock up for 3 months.
And then we'll be flying off to Leeds Bradford Airport. What's the difference between a seagull and a baby?
A seagull's got wings.
No. You give in?
Yeah.
A seagull flits across the shore.
And the baby?
You'll be able to work it out. What did you get?
A ham and cheese sandwich. The bread's toasted.
Is it?
But it's not been toasted like with the filling.
Right.
So it's cold inside. I'm just going to put a bit of mayo on it. I only want a bit.
Hey, look at this Dalmatian dog on the beach.
Oh yeah. The beauty.
So here we are in the Myanmar, Africa. Is that right?
Yeah.
It's right on the beach, on the Acequion beach. Absolutely beautiful views. Today is a really stonking hot day. It's supposed to be knocking on 30 degrees. Very, very warm. And we've just sat on the beach for an hour, haven't we?
Yeah. There's a nice breeze here now, and we're in the shade.
This beautiful view. See the marina. Fantastic. Nice cool breeze blowing now, isn't there? Yeah.
Yeah.
And the price of the meal of the day is
€12.
€12, which is very, very good for this sort of a view As I say, the restaurant was called Myanmar Africa. Ham croquettes. Very nice. Ham croquettes. Got two. Soaked them in olive oil, I did.
I put some olive oil in my sandwich.
Yeah. Get salad.
The woman selling dresses.
Not for me, thanks.
Very nice.
Grande? Sí. Panque. Panque.
Cuando mi españolito come pipas,
A pinch of chip.
hasta luego, cariño.
It's only a chip.
What did you just do?
What did I do?
What did you just do?
I went like this. I leant over and I says, "Can I pinch a chip?"
You pinched another one. That's okay. It's very basic, but for €12
Yeah. Let me see. Look. Turn it round. Let me see the chicken.
on the beach.
Llevo 3 ahora que te coge el último.
It's not too bad.
One or two people behind us not too happy with the quality of the food. To be fair, it's okay. It's what you'd expect for €12 on the beach.
Yeah.
Very nice. The schnitzel's nice. The chips were frozen chips, but okay. The starters were nice. Croquettes were nice.
Yeah.
But everything you can see is economised.
Got goosebumps.
Goosebumps.
Got goosebumps. I'm gonna put my shirt on for a bit.
There's two people on beach here. They're looking very smart. Got the suits on. Must be. I wonder where they're from. Somewhere near the equator, I would imagine.
Yeah. And he's got his hats on. About 6 or 7 hats on. His head must be really warm.
Okay, thank you. Ta.
Got cream with your flan.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
So my flan has arrived. I've ordered the flan. I had a choice of flan, chocolate brownie, an orange or a banana, and something else with cream. But I fancied a flan, so I like the flans.
Looks nice.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
It does.
Some nice bits of cream. Quite nice.
Bit nice.
I think for €12 it's been okay. Looks like some sort of a rowing club. It does say club on the door there. They're all coming out. I don't know. It's a bit blustery today, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not like a mill pond, this, isn't it? Acequion Beach.
2 people out on those boards over there. Can you see them?
On the boards. Oh, have they got the boards? And that's going to take us over to the paddle boards as I follow the ship. We'll follow the ship. And they're going to cross paths now. Oh, do you think there's going to be an accident?
They're going to collide.
It's a long way off that, isn't it? But look how shallow the water is. See, there's somebody there next to the boat there. There must be 50 metres out to sea. And they're only just above the knees.
Yep.
So just to sum up, I quite enjoyed the meal of the day. And as I said before, for €12
On the beach.
on the beach, it's what you can expect, really. Sort of economical, not massive portions, but okay. I enjoyed it,
But you've got to try these things to know what they're like.
but it's filled a hole. We are having a curry tonight.
And that's why I just had the sandwich.
You just had a sandwich.
Yeah. Which was well enough for me.
Well, look at that, they're nearly in Morocco now.
Well, that were a nice meal, wasn't it? You had the full 3 course.
Yeah, we're okay. We're very nice. I enjoyed it. You know, it's very good value for being on the beach, Acequion Beach, looking at that beautiful view. €12, and you get a starter, a main course, and a pudding.
Or coffee.
Or a coffee. We're going to move on, and we're going to have a look at the ship. We like the ship, don't we?
Going to go have a look at the ship.
Going to go have a pint in the ship.
What's that marina called? The International Marina?
The International Marina, it's just over there. We can see it from here. Absolutely fabulous. So come on, let's crack on. We've got a lot to do this afternoon, haven't we?
Yes. You coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Come in.
Up in the sky where the clouds softly play, I spread my wings and I'm drifting away. Weightless and free, I leave all behind. In this vast blue serenity I find. The sun spills gold on my feathery flight, dancing with the breezes, chasing the light. My heart beats softly to nature's sweet song. In this moment, I know I truly belong. Flying high like a bird in the sky, with no cares, just the whisper of the wind nearby. Drifting on dreams where the worries all fade. In this ethereal realm, I'm unafraid. The world below is a tapestry bright, mountains and rivers, a breathtaking sight. With every glide I touch the divine. Time melts away as my spirit aligns, floating through colors that paint the horizon. No chains to bind me, I feel like I'm rising. With every heartbeat the universe sings. In my free flight I discover new things. Flying high like a bird in the sky, with no cares, just the whisper of the wind nearby. Drifting open, I'll sing to the stars. In this journey of freedom, forever is ours.
Well, there we are in the marina, and this bar has just opened, hasn't it? The Marina Club.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. Well, it is 6:25, and we're just getting ready to cycle home.
Yes.
But just enjoying this moment where the sun is just very warm. It's amazing. We love this place.
See the fish, look.
Looking around that bag, how they're coming this way.
I can't find it.
We've got a piece of bread now. They'd love a piece of bread, wouldn't they?
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, she's found it. Look, you found your bread.
And a piece of bread. Didn't they eat bread?
How come you've got a piece of bread?
Because I brought it for the fish.
Look, they're
Oh,
coming, they're coming.
Are they looking at it? Are they interested?
Not sure, really. They're not interested, are they?
I just remembered that time when we saw a piece of bread in the sea and the fish were all going crazy.
That were a different type of...
Yeah,
I'm sure...
They're not bothered, are they?
No, they're not interested in bread.
Oh, well. Do you want
You tried.
Do you want it?
What, the bread?
Yeah.
I don't want it now. I'm going to fish it out.
No.
Look,
Look, there's a lot of fish there, though. But they just don't want bread.
They don't want bread. Oh, look at them. Swarming. Well, let's have a walk on then. Lovely bar.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And we've got the new restaurant just up the road there. And they do a nice meal of the day, etc., etc. There's the menu of the day, $14.50. Not including a drink, but primeros starters, segundos main courses, and a postre or a cafe. Which is your boat?
I don't have a boat.
Haven't you got one?
No.
Why haven't you got one?
Too expensive to keep.
Can't you afford it?
No. I don't want a boat.
Oh yeah.
No.
So we've had a nice day today, nice relaxing day, our last full day before we set off. We've got to bag up tomorrow, clean up the property, clean all the washing and cleaning I've got to do.
You've got to do it. What are you likely to be doing?
I'll be sorting my computer out, checking emails, responding to subscribers, looking after me, you know, the people.
I still respond to subscribers on Facebook.
So anyway, on that note, on that argumentative note, it's time to wrap the video up. So the new season of Bargain Win Brit started on Monday, yesterday, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So expect to see us in that series. We should be on about 3 or 4 or 5 episodes, I think.
Yeah, a few recordings.
Yeah. So, but I don't think they'll all be on this session. The series is packed into 2 sessions.
Yeah, if they're not on this time, they'll be later in the year or early next year.
Yeah, it's about a year before. We filmed it in October 24. What we're now May
We did
25.
some in October and some in November.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
And we'll let you know. Just watch our Facebook page and we'll let you know. On that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3,
2,
2, 1.
Bing. Adios.
So tune in to our channel, don't miss out. With Mike and Yvonne, we'll show you about between the lakes where happiness flows, cycling through the coast where your adventure